Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
This is the updated Soundlink Mini by Bose and what it does for you. It delivers portable stereo sound and deeper bass than many small speakers. The speaker provides up to 10 hours of battery life on a full charge. You can connect wirelessly over Bluetooth or wired with a 5mm aux cable. Charging uses the included micro USB cable and finishes in about 3 hours. The compact aluminum body weighs under 2 pounds for easy carrying. Start by powering on the Soundlink Mini using the top power button. Enable Bluetooth on your phone or tablet in its settings menu. Press the Bluetooth button on the speaker to enter pairing mode and wait for the indicator light. Select Soundlink Mini from your device list to pair and connect. For a wired connection, plug a 5mm aux cable into the speaker input and your device. The speaker remembers paired devices for quick reconnection later on. Use the top control buttons to adjust volume and manage playback or phone calls easily. Press the multifunction button to play, pause, or answer incoming calls using the built-in microphone. If the speaker becomes unresponsive, reset it by holding the power and Bluetooth buttons together for 10 seconds. A low battery light indicates charging is needed, and reduced playback time usually means recharge sooner. Ensure your device firmware is current.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.